I'm a senior biologist in our animal programs department, so my primary responsibility is taking care of our penguin colony, doing the shows and interactions and husbandry with them, but I'm also in charge of all the people and all the animals that are in the animal programs department, which consists of the otters, the hawks, the other raptors like owls. We have some alligators, some snakes, some skunks, an armadillo, a possum, so sort of a variety of animals. So I kind of oversee the husbandry of all those guys and the people. And I'm also involved with collecting of the aquarium, and I'm a backup for a lot of the systems. Okay. And I also started a group, a fundraising group for enrichment. I'm in charge of enrichment for the aquarium. So basically we raise funds to buy things for the animals. Enrichment can be toys or housing or basically anything to kind of stimulate the animals.
And how do you fundraise?
We do lots of different things. Actually, they're kind of fun. We do a bowling thing where we actually had a bowling lanes donated and we charged for that. We do bake sales. We do other events. We've had comedy things and bands come and play and you buy a ticket. So basically there's some little things and there's some big things. I'm a certified diver. I'm actually up to scientific diver level, so I'm certified to dive in all the tanks. And we do, routine maintenance in there. We also do, anytime there's a health issue, we'll go in and have to catch things. We recently just had a shark that needed some medicine, so we would have to catch him from time to time. I was involved with that. Sea turtle stuff, so it definitely...
you work with all of these?
Pretty much all around, yeah. Which is a great thing about working here. They're really, not only do they allow you to work in other areas, but they encourage you to. So there's a lot of cross-training and that sort of thing.
And what are the differences if somebody was to be a biologist here as opposed to what you did before or in a research facility?
I can't really speak to a research facility. I've worked in research stations, and it's I basically did a lot of field work doing habitat data, data collection, field surveys, things like that. It's just a totally different world. I worked for a state agency, a government agency, and I'm here. Obviously, it's a building, it's a closed system, so you work a lot with the life support and the systems. People that work in other aquariums that have also worked here will tell you that the Florida Aquarium is a really amazing place to work because of that cross-training, and also because we are involved with every part of our systems, the filtration, the maintenance, everything. A lot of times in other places you're only in one little area. You're either doing the animals or you're doing the maintenance. So it really gives you sort of a holistic way of looking at things. You really do everything, the food prep, the husbandry, the medical stuff, so it's a pretty neat experience. All of us have interaction with the public. My department especially, we're out there doing interactions and shows with the animals, and that's our main part of our job is to be out there. So it's daily interaction with the public, which is probably the most important part about our job. People that work here have degrees in zoology, biology. My degrees are in wildlife biology, so there's definitely some give and take there, but ultimately we're looking for animal experience or some sort of experience in whatever department you're going into. Everyone here, it's a pretty close relationship, really. There's a little bit of give and take with that, but there's never a situation where the executives would make us do something that wouldn't be healthy for the animals. They definitely come to us with ideas, and we work those ideas out together. So it's definitely a good way to do it. We recently opened up our new gallery, and there was a lot of that. Like, well, I like this, but this won't work for this animal. So we had to really sit down together and lots of meetings and lots of talks. But there's never anything that's just handed to us that we have to do that's unhealthy for the animals, which is great.